Certificate of Suitability. It is referred as or commonly known as CEP. You might have heard this terminology for the APIs. You might have heard that you are going to check the CEP grade API or not. That means whenever you are going to use the APIs, you might have checked for the CEP grade. So in this video, we are going to learn regarding CEP. This will be a short video and topic will be Certificate of Suitability. Welcome dear viewers to the video on the topic CEP. CEP, a Certificate of Suitability, it is issued by the EDQM and it certifies that the quality of an API or excipient complies with the monograph of the European Pharmacopoeia, that is PHUR. So from the word CEP, Certificate of Suitability means if the vendor is going to provide you the CEP, that means the API or excipient is meeting the monograph requirements by the PHUR. Aim and scope of CEP, it ensures harmonized quality standards across Europe for the APIs and the excipients. It simplifies marketing authorization in Europe and other recognized regions. CEP is accepted in EU, UK, Canada, Australia, MENA, Singapore, South Africa and some others. There are different types of CEP, chemical CEP, herbal CEP and TSC CEP. Chemical CEP for chemically synthesized APIs, herbal CEP for herbal drugs and preparations. TSC CEP means there is a risk control onto TSC. Combination may be there, chemical sterility, chemical TSC plus sterility. Key features, this refers to the specific PHUR monographs or general monograph for the TSC. It is not a GMP certificate. GMP compliance is a self-declared. It is not a certificate of analysis also. So no batch specific data is there. It is reviewed by the EDQM with risk-based GMP inspections where needed. How to read a CEP? Updated guidance by EDQM explains how to interpret terms and structures. So this guidance can be referred. There are three CEP formats, mainly old format, hybrid format and CEP 2.0. CEP 2.0 is most recent. Sections to focus on from the CEP are manufacturer's name and sites. These must match MAA details, substance identity, IIN, structure, grade, and some other information. Quality specifications regarding impurities, solvents, residuals, analytical methods, storage and handling. Special conditions if applicable. Revisions, keep track of revision number and date. Monograph reference, chemical specific monograph, TSC, general monograph. So now why CEP is important? It is accepted across multiple regions, so it will provide regulatory efficiency. It is for the quality assurance. It demonstrates PHUR compliance, life cycle advantage, reduces duplicate assessments. It saves time and cost in the marketing authorization application and the post approval changes. These are the advantages. Now coming to the differences in the DMF and CEP. CEP is issued by EDQM Europe and DMF it is for the national regulatory authorities like FDA. CEP confirms compliance with PHUR while DMF provides detailed info on API manufacturing. CEP is used single certificate for all EU countries. DMF is submitted per region. CEP is a public certificate while DMF is confidential and it is not directly disclosed to the public. CEP is accepted in multiple countries like Europe and others. DMF is a country specific. Then sister CEP. So it is a second CEP for the same API by the same holder and used for the alternate grades or specifications. So if the same API or excipient has different grades, sister CEP is there. Alternate manufacturing process, for that sister CEP is there. Requires original CEP must be valid. Full technical dossier submission is required. Cover letter, application form, quality overall summary, and relevant modules. So these are the related points for the sister CEP. Documents required for CEP application: application form, quality dossier module 3, validation of analytical methods, stability data, and GMP declaration. Now coming to the CEP validity and renewal. So typically CEP is valid for 5 years. Renewal needed with updated documentation. Revisions may be triggered by changes in the process, site, or monograph. So whenever there are major changes which may impact the quality, that time revisions are required. Understanding and interpreting CEP is correctly essential for the regulatory filing. As an industry professional, we should know regarding the CEP. It is required for regulatory filing, quality risk management, vendor qualification, life cycle management of pharmaceutical products. And understand that CEP is not just a certificate, but it provides assurance that the API or excipient meets the monograph requirement and is with the specific quality requirements. So this is the information regarding CEP. Thank you for watching the video, and please do like, share and subscribe to this channel.